Welcome to Best Circular Saw, your guide to clean cuts, serious power, and job site-ready performance. Whether you're ripping lumber, trimming plywood, or tackling DIY projects, we've rounded up the top circular saws that deliver precision, durability, and cutting-edge features. Let's dive into the best options for every skill level. Makita XSH LO6PT 36-volt circular saw kit. The Makita XSH 06PT 18-volt X2 LXT 36-volt brushless cordless circular saw kit is powered by two LXT batteries using X2 LXT technology for increased power, speed, and runtime without cords. Its Makita-built electronically controlled BL motor delivers 6,000 RPM and provides 50% longer runtime per charge. The brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes for cooler, more efficient operation. Featuring automatic speed change technology, it adjusts cutting speed and torque during cuts for optimal performance. Capable of up to 610 crosscuts in 2x4 SPF lumber and 320 crosscuts in 2x10 SPF per charge with 5.0 amp batteries. This kit includes two batteries and is ideal for high-demand jobs. Dewalt DCS 573B 20-volt FLEXVOLT Advantage Circular Saw. The Dewalt DCS 573B 20-volt Max Cordless Advantage Circular Saw features FLEXVOLT Advantage for up to 77% more power when paired with FLEXVOLT batteries. Its powerful brushless motor delivers 5,500 RPM for fast cuts with a max depth of 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees and 2 inches at 45 degrees. It includes an electric brake that stops the blade after releasing the trigger, an LED light for increased visibility, and a rafter hook for easy storage. The dust port is compatible with the Dewalt airlock system or standard 35mm extractors. Tool Connect chip ready for asset tracking, chip sold separately, and compatible with all 20-volt max and FLEXVOLT batteries. Greenworks 24V 7 1/4 circular saw, tool only. The Greenworks 24V brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw offers a full-size blade with bevel capacity from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, enabling max cutting depths of 2.5 inch at 0 degrees and 1 11/16 inch at 45 degrees. Its brushless motor provides up to 40% faster cutting and runs at 4,500 RPM. A 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade ensures fast, clean cuts. The ergonomic two-handed handle offers comfort and balance, while the built-in LED illuminates the cut line for improved accuracy. Covered by a 3-year tool and 2-year battery warranty, this saw is compatible with all Greenworks 24V and 48V platform tools, offering 35% longer runtime than typical 18V, 20V tools. Battery and charger sold separately. Makita XSS03Z 18V LXT 5 3/8 inch trim saw. The Makita XSS03Z 18V LXT cordless 5 3/8 inch trim saw features a Makita-built motor that delivers 3,600 RPM for fast cutting and ripping through wood. Weighing only 6.0 pounds with battery not included, it minimizes operator fatigue and maximizes maneuverability. A built-in dust blower keeps the cut line clear of debris for accurate results, and a heavy-gauge precision machined base ensures smooth, durable cutting. This lightweight cordless saw is ideal for trim and detail work in compact spaces. SKIL 528001 7 1/4 inch circular saw with laser guide. The SKIL 528001 7 1/4 inch circular saw features a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 5,300 RPM for quick, aggressive cuts. It includes a 7¼ inch carbide-tipped blade and spindle lock for easy blade changes, with a 51-degree bevel capacity and a positive stop at 45 degrees. It accommodates a wide variety of angled cuts. A dust blower keeps the line of cut clean for improved visibility, while safety features like a guarded trigger and power-on indicator help prevent accidental starts. This corded saw combines performance with value and includes a single-beam laser guide